Tonight is about the journey, the love, and the joy.
To find out where we're at, where do we want to go? How do we want to show up in this world, and how do we want to feel?
We are here together to support one another.
Yoga has no right or wrong moves. It has no right or wrong postures. It's about an experience.
Every minute, each day, each evening continues to crescendo into a beautiful day.
Continuing your education happens in rooms like this.
I have always believed that the David Tutera experience is a combination of going to school and going to church.
David, thank you for creating this space.
Inside of each of us, you have the ability to make a difference.
This is an incredibly emotional and powerful experience here.
It's all of you that make me love what we do and why we are here today.
I want you to say it out loud. I still feel alive.